welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching unboxings and some product reviews and sometimes some travel and adventure when things get better, you are welcome to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed, then woohoo! Welcome back, my beautifuls. Today I have a new box to unbox with you guys. Actually, this is the first unboxing video that I do from this box, but I have done unboxings previously on 3 months already on my Instagram channel. So go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed there, because sometimes I do unboxings there that I don't do on YouTube, so you guys are missing out. So go follow my Instagram obsession. And with that said, guys, this box is right here. Woohoo! So this is called Chingona. So this is the Chingona box, and what Chingona means is badass. So this is badass box right here. I will leave you guys all the details and all the information on the description down below, because I am dying to see what's in here, and I'm sure that you guys do as well. So again, this is the Chingona box. I love their boxes every month. Their decoration is like badass, like seriously, it's like super nice. So here we go. Woohoo! Look at that purple, look at the colors, so colorful. I love it. So oh, look who we have Selena there. Love it. So the theme for this month is Como la Flor. So it's brought to you by Care Party something, and it says participating brands, so it has all the participating brands. So I believe this is my information card, is it? Yeah. So this is my information card as well, and look how pretty that is. You can frame this, you can do so much stuff with that, right? So it's nicely sealed, right? So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see what I have. Last month was makeup. I received a lot of makeup stuff and it was so cute. Okay, so this month, what is this? So this is looks like a car freshener. Let's see. I gotta put on my glasses, guys. So, excuse me. And here we go. Let me see what it is first. So it's an air freshener and it's scented. And this, so I don't really have any more information here. So this is what it looks like. Look how pretty that is. Oh, this will look so cute in my card. Ooh. See if I can smell it. I can smell it a little bit, but it's sealed, so I won't be able to smell it too good. So next up we have this. Looks like a card. Let's see. Oh my god, yes. Okay, so it's blank inside, which means you can use this for anything that you want. A birthday, thinking of you, get well, anything, because it's blank. And it comes with the envelope as well. Love the color. Okay, next up we have I saw this. So next up is from Sabucana brand, and it has a phone grip and a car air freshener, a Selena phone grip and a Selena air freshener. Look how pretty that is, guys. And then goes the car. Is this a phone? No, I think this is the phone grip. So what was this here? Hold on. Oh my goodness, guys, I am so sorry, but okay, this is the Selena pin. I thought it was like a pop socket. That's what it looked like. So that's the Selena. It's a pin there. I'm so sorry. And this is the phone grip. This is the phone grip. And you know what? I need to open this. let's open it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, yes. Oh, it's like large. Okay, so you see it, and this is so pretty though. I'm gonna get a clear case for my phone and put this. So pretty. I love it. Okay, I'm glad I was able to clarify that. Next up, we have, ooh, so cute. We have some socks. I'll probably wear these tonight. They're so cute. Let's see. Okay, so they are from G Soto Designs, the greeting card and the socks. So we have some socks. We have this paper. So pretty. We have a Selena keychain. We have this. What's this? Ooh, so pretty. Look at the pen, guys. It has like glitter in there. Ooh, so pretty. And the pouch, it's a velvet pink pouch for the pen. And then we have, ooh, we have a shimmer. I can't talk. We have a shimmer mist, and it's pitaya, and it's from Glow Shimmer Mist. Look how pretty it is. So that's the color. Ooh, so nice. And we still have some more stuff in here, right? Yep. And we have a Selena picture as a mermaid. This is super pretty. Oh, this box was so cute. It was all focused on Selena, which a lot of us know who Selena was. So this box is super cute. I love this box, guys. It's so cute. It's so different. Like, there's a box for everyone out there. So if you love receiving, you know, a different theme all the time, every month, this box is like perfect for you. So I will leave you guys all the details and the information on the description down below so you can get to subscribing. With that said, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, and I will see you guys back soon with a different unboxing video. Bye, guys.